Alright, today I'm back out on Big Winnie. I have been out here quite a bit so far this year, I think 4 days. And each time I've done really well on walleyes. Lots of smaller eater size fish this year, but we're still finding a few nice fish mixed in there. Hopefully today I will be able to get on them. I will be targeting probably between 12 and 16 feet of water on flats and maybe on the edge of some rocky structure. That's where I was finding them last week. So hopefully I'll be able to get on them and get some shots on camera. So stay tuned, we'll see if we can make it happen. Alright, and then doing a typical springtime jig and minnow bite. I've kind of downsized out here because there's a lot of smaller fish, but this jig and fathead will work just fine. I know a lot of people like using shiners in the spring, but right now it doesn't really matter. There's a lot of fish out here. And I have it paired up with a VMC 8-ounce jig. See if we can get one. First one of the day, doesn't seem too great. A lot of fish that size in here right now. It's probably a 12-inch walleye. Definitely a good sign for the future though. Turning nasty, but there's a decent 14-inch fish. I'll keep that one. Here, but I think that's my 7th fish. There's a nice fish. 22. There he goes. Back to the top of the drift, but there's a nice perch. I'm gonna run to the top of the drift again. It seems to be the only way I can actually slow myself down. I'm using a drift sock and the trolling motor to help control myself in the wind, but there's no point in trolling up the waves. We got 20-mile-an-hour wind straight to the, coming straight in at us, so just gonna keep running to the top of the drift and coming back down, picking up fish every time. Okay. Something like that. Try to get out of here. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for me out here today. My trolling motor is just about dead, and the wind has beat me up pretty good for the morning, so still a successful day. I probably caught 15 walleyes, and maybe 7 or 8 perch. I probably won't show them all on camera because a lot of them were small, but I ended up getting 5 keepers, so that was pretty good, and I got 2 bigs as well, so not disappointed whatsoever. Hopefully I'll be able to do a few more videos in the future because I've definitely been lacking lately, but feels good to be back on open water. Been spending a lot of time on the boat, and I'm going to continue to do so the entire summer. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.